Hey everyone! Welcome back to Technify. If you're into cameras, photography, or the latest tech that helps creators do more, you're in the right spot. Here at Technify, we break down the newest gear and trends that matter to content makers, storytellers, and enthusiasts just like you. So if you haven't already, make sure to tap that like button and subscribe so you don't miss what's next. Today we're diving into one of the most talked about cameras in the Fujifilm lineup, the rumored Fujifilm X-T6. While it hasn't officially hit the market yet, early leaks and trusted sources have given us plenty to get excited about. From big improvements in autofocus and video to updates in design and usability, the X-T6 is shaping up to be a real game-changer for both photographers and videographers. If you liked what the X-T5 offered, this next step might just take things even further. So let's jump into what we know so far about the highly anticipated Fujifilm X-T6. Starting with the design, the X-T6 is expected to carry over the classic look that fans love. Physical dials for ISO, shutter speed, and exposure compensation are likely sticking around. This retro style gives a film-like shooting experience while maintaining modern performance. There are whispers of a slightly larger grip, making it easier to handle, especially when using heavier lenses. Better weather sealing could also make this camera more reliable for shooting outdoors in tough conditions. As for the sensor, the X-T6 is rumored to feature a 40.2 megapixel APS-C sensor. While similar in resolution to the X-T5, it may come with faster readout and partial stacking. This means better image quality, reduced noise, and improved performance in low light. Rolling shutter should be less noticeable, which is good news for video shooters and those capturing fast motion. On the autofocus front, things are looking promising. An upgraded deep learning system could be introduced, allowing the camera to identify and track a wide variety of subjects: people, animals, birds, even vehicles. Focus tracking is expected to be more accurate, even when subjects are off-center. In video mode, focus transitions might become smoother and more cinematic. Now speaking of video, the X-T6 could become a strong hybrid shooter. It's rumored to support 6.2K video at 30 frames per second and 4K at 60 frames per second. Internal 10-bit 4:2:2 recording and support for F-Log2 would give users more flexibility in color grading and editing. Some leaks also point to raw output via HDMI for professional workflows. Heat control might also be improved, helping the camera stay cooler during longer video shoots, a big plus for vloggers or filmmakers. The display is also getting some attention. The X-T6 may feature a fully articulating LCD screen, which would be a first for the series. That's especially useful for vloggers or when capturing tough angles. The electronic viewfinder could see upgrades too, possibly with higher resolution and refresh rates for a more responsive experience. In-body image stabilization could get a boost as well, possibly reaching up to 7 stops. That would allow users to shoot handheld with more confidence, whether you're snapping photos or filming smooth video clips without a gimbal. Connectivity is another area seeing improvement. Faster Wi-Fi and Bluetooth are expected, making file transfers quicker and remote control more seamless. Dual SD card slots should be making a return too, giving you backup options or the ability to separate photos and video files. Battery life might stay close to what the X-T5 delivered, but a more power-efficient processor could help extend your shooting time just a bit. As for Fujifilm's signature film simulations, they'll definitely be back. Fan favorites like Classic Chrome, Velvia, and Eterna are expected. There's even talk of a brand new film look inspired by vintage cinema, which could appeal to creators chasing that nostalgic vibe straight out of the camera. Put together, all these rumored features suggest the X-T6 won't just be an incremental update. It could be a true evolution. From better autofocus and video capabilities to small but meaningful design tweaks, Fujifilm seems to be focusing on everything hybrid shooters care about. And that's everything we know so far about the upcoming Fujifilm X-T6. While official confirmation is still on the horizon, the rumored improvements point toward a camera that could balance tradition and innovation beautifully. Whether you're into landscapes, portraits, wildlife, or cinematic video, the X-T6 looks like it could handle it all. Here at Technify, we'll be keeping a close eye on every update, leak, and announcement, so be sure to subscribe and ring the bell so you don't miss what's next. If this video helped you out or got you excited for what's coming, go ahead and hit that like button. It really helps the channel grow. We'd also love to hear your thoughts. What features are you most excited about? Are you planning to upgrade from the X-T6 or looking to join the Fujifilm ecosystem for the first time? Drop your thoughts in the comments. We read every one. Thanks for watching, and we'll catch you in the next one here on Technify.